Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Konstantinos. I am an aspired Emirates cabin crew, or else I am an Emirates wannabe. This is the first video of a series of 52 videos with title Demystifying the Emirates cabin crew opportunities in 52 shots. So this is the first video of the series, the first shot, let's say, and it has the title Shot 1, the Emirates cabin crew opportunities. In the whole duration of the series, we are going to see about the Emirates cabin crew role, the United Arab Emirates culture, the United Arab Emirates official religion. We are going to speak about the Emiratis. We are going to see a few things about Dubai, in general about the United Arab Emirates as a country. In addition, we are going to see specific information about the Emirates Aviation Group. It may sound a lot of information, but I was able to manage to split the particular information in 52 unique, distinct and different videos. As mentioned earlier, this is the first video of the series with title Shot 1, the Emirates cabin crew opportunities. In essence, I chose to diversify the information provided through the particular series of videos because in my last open day I was able to attend an open day in Cyprus in the late December of 2000 in the mid-December of 2025, and the recruiter was an Emirati and he asked the following question: what do you know about the Emiratis, the Emirates Aviation Group, and the United Arab Emirates in general? So the purpose of this video is to answer the particular question and provide to all of us, the Emirates wannabes, ample information in order for us to be able to know better the United Arab Emirates and the Emirati culture and official religion. Let's move on. I believe this video it will be a short one. Emirates and Dinata, experience the world as part of your career. Here we see two lovely ladies. I believe it might be the economic class. In the economic class of an Emirates aircraft with wearing the official Emirates cabin crew uniform. View recruitment view recruitment events. Let's see. No upcoming recruitment events for Cyprus, but let's see for Bulgaria. Okay, for Bulgaria, 14th of January, 9 a.m., Grand Hotel Sofia. And there is an ample of information. So learn more about our recruitment day process and so on. But I'm going to start from the particular document with title Cabin Crew Opportunities. So if you manage to apply correctly for either an open day with Emirates or with an invitation only day, you are going to receive the particular message with the particular title, cabin crew opportunities, general information, description and requirements, job purpose. So I need to emphasize on this document because in the last open day that I had the opportunity to attend, the recruiter asked some questions relevant to this document for the cabin crew opportunities. So let's study it together. Description and requirements, job purpose, a personality that shines, the ability to adapt to any situation and make people feel at ease. These are a few of the qualities we are looking for in our cabin crew. As the face of Emirates, you could be the person customers turn to for help and direction when they fly with us. So you need to be friendly, observant, and able to provide the right support. Being a member of the cabin crew is so much more than a service role. Safety is our highest priority. You will need to lead confidently and take control when it comes to managing aircraft services, security, and safety procedures. This comes from the world-class learning experience our crew receive at our state-of-the-art facility in Dubai. And indeed, if we see in the official recruitment website of the Emirates cabin crew opportunities, as we see, the cabin crew training process is 7.5 weeks of training, and it includes various steps. I believe it includes 7 steps, and one of the steps of the training is the security training, and another one is the group medical training, or GMT in short. But do not confuse it with the GMT, the Greenwich Mean Time. This is a different, let's say, measurement tool. Okay. The Greenwich time measures, in essence, the time in the various time zones of Earth. Let's continue. Qualification. Here are some other things we look for in our cabin crew. You have had more than a year's experience in hospitality or customer service. So hospitality, for example, is the waiter, or I believe the barman. And customer service, we may find the customer service, let's say, in a technology shop. The customer service personnel that is selling technology equipment to the customers of the shop. You have a positive attitude and the natural ability to provide excellent service in a team environment, dealing with people from many cultures. So this is true. Emirates, it's a multicultural company. Then Dubai is also a multicultural city. So indeed, you will deal with people from many cultures, from many nationalities, because it's not only in Dubai. I believe in present Emirates serves more than 115 destinations around the world. So you may need to serve people from Pakistan, from India, from Brazil, from a lot of European countries, including Cyprus, and so on. But I believe the Cypriots are not. I believe Cypriots, we are nice people. We don't cause trouble to the hospitality staff or the customer service staff. What I mean, we are not demanding customers. At least this is my opinion. So your minimum qualification is high school grade 12. You need to be fluent in written and spoken English. Ability to speak another language is an advantage, like Greek, French, and so on. You are at least 160 centimeter tall and can reach 212 centimeter while standing on tiptoes to enable you to reach emergency equipment on all aircraft types, like the Airbus 350, like the Airbus 380, and the Boeing 777. No visible tattoos while you are in Emirates Cabin Crew uniform, without covering them with bandages or cosmetics. An Emirates Cabin Crew, as Emirates Cabin Crew, you will be based in Dubai and will need to meet the United Arab Emirates employment visa requirements. So this is yes, you need to focus on this specific line, because you will travel if successful. If you receive the golden call, correct, you will pack your things, say goodbye to your family and friends, and move for the duration of the contract to Dubai, which in my opinion is not an easy thing, because if you think it carefully, you will in the end of the day, if you accept the opportunity and choose to travel for Emirates, you will find yourself with one backpack in your bag, with two luggages in each hand, and you will be in the front gate of the airport in order for you to pass the passenger checkpoint and then board the airplane with destination Dubai. But what I tried to say is that you leave everything behind. It's not like you go in Dubai for 2 weeks and then you will go back to your home country. You will go there for at least 2 months. So remember, the initial training is along with the induction period is almost 8 weeks long. So how I think it for myself is like I will give the house keys to my family. I will give back the car keys to my family, and I will take a band of clothes, a band of necessary belongings, and I will go to a Middle East destination, which Dubai. It's a city in the Middle East. It's outside the European Union, and I will be there for at least 3 months, maybe 3 years, the whole duration of the contract, maybe more. So it's not like you go there for 1 day and then return to your home country. You go there and you will stay there day after day after day. Aside from the requirements of the role, you should be determined to always perform to the highest standards. Focus on being solution oriented and be able to manage a demanding work schedule. You should have the ability to deliver an authentic experience to our customers. You will be culturally aware and reflect the Emirates personality: professional, empathetic, progressive, visionary, and cosmopolitan. And before clicking the apply button, please keep the following documents ready to submit with your application: recent CV in English and recent photo. And then the nice part of the question: salary and benefits, tax-free salary, starting salary, and flying pay. Your pay made up of 3 components: a fixed basic salary, let's say the base salary, an hourly pay for operated flights, and an overseas meal allowance. And the base salary is almost 5,000 dirhams per month, so in euros is 1,250 euros. The flying pay is around 70 dirhams per hour, based on an average 80 to 800 hours a month. And an average maximum total pay, it's almost 11,244 United Arab Emirates dirham per month, which is the equivalent of 2,600 euros per month, tax-free. So tax-free, it's the key component of the equation. It's one of the key components. And let's see, here is a note. These are approximate numbers for grade 2 economy class. Meal allowances for night stops are credited to the salary in arrears the following month. Hotel accommodation as well as transport to and from the airport is provided by the company. Okay, in addition of this, if you selected for the position, you will need to serve alcohol either day, evening, or night during the flight. So you need to be okay with this fact also, and the recruiter in the event will mention it as well. Okay, here we can see additional information that I will focus on in the next video of the series. Here is the benefits: medical and insurance, leave and leave travel, transport, accommodation, concessional travel, starting salary, and flying pay. So do not focus on this part or the rest of the comforts, the accommodation, for example. Focus that you need to be able to fulfill the following, the particular qualifications, and in general the job purpose. Okay, focus that you will need to travel a lot, that maybe you will have a busy schedule, a busy flight schedule, and that you have to deal with day to day, flight to flight, with different nationality and cultures, and you will find people of high educated people on board. You may find low educated people on board. You may find extremely rich people on board. You may find middle class people on board. You may find very polite people and very patient people on board. You may find not so polite and not so patient people on board. So you have to deal with all these things, including the turbulence. You may, if a turbulence take place on flight, then you may need to gather a trace from the floor of the aircraft. So that's all for today, because the video is for now 21 minutes long. I don't want you to lose your interest for the next video. So in the next video we are going to look at the particular requirements of the position, what you need to have in mind for the recruitment day process. We are going to see the recruitment event and dress code. In addition, we are going to see the cabin crew training process and the pay and benefits. And in addition, grow your career at Emirates in the various cabin classes, the economy class, the business class, the first class, cabin supervisor, and eventually purser, the ladies and the gentlemen in black. And maybe we're going to see the Welcome to Dubai, Your Next Home video. And also there are a lot of frequent asked questions. There is a lot of information here. I may split it in two parts. So at first I may made a video for up to here, cabin crew training process, and the third video will be about the pay and benefits, the grow your career at Emirates, the welcome to Dubai, your new home, and the frequently asked questions. So this is Konstantinos. Thank you for watching the particular video, and I hope you have a nice day ahead. And I hope that you perform well in your next open day or invitation only day and achieve your goal, which is to be a cabin crew for Emirates. Concluding, I would like to thank you for your ample attention and have a nice